flows join at Uste to the main Mahadai, and Mahadai then goes, and from Usgaon onward the river is called as Mandavi. So this is Kalsa river. So on this Kalsa river, Karnataka want to build the Kalsa project. So Kalsa, Haltara, 3.56 TMC feet of water they want to take. So this is the Pali waterfall in Dongurli Thane area, and here you know this waterfall. D.B. Gorkar, the poet in Marathi, says, "Ask kar tudana Dudha Sagara, Peko Pesa Pandra." So this is Dudhsagar, Katla and Payana, two rivers which are originating in Anshi Dateli Tiger Reserve. Here Karnataka want to build a dam and take the water in the direction of Kali Ganga. You know the Kali Ganga is the novel written by Mahaveshwar Sen. So Kali Ganga is going to Karwar, so they want to take this water to Karwar. So Katla and Payana, and this is the main river. This is the photographs I have clicked on the 31st of the May. Mean the great mother. The river having large quantum of water is called Madai. In 20, people call this river as Mandavi, right from Usgaon till Agwal, where you know the river joins the Arabian Sea. People call it the Mandavi. The main reason for the name Mandavi is once upon a time there was a typical tax which every ship had to pay while making entry into Panjim. And the collection center was known as Mandovi, and the tax was called as a Mand. So there are many Mandavis in various parts of India, in Gujarat or in Maharashtra. You have the Mandavi. So that is why the river got the name Mandavi. But this river is a great mother for all of us. And as far as Goans are concerned, Goan think that this river is a lifeline for the people of North Goa only. But if you look at the quantum of the water which this river mixes into Arabian Sea, the life and livelihood of Goan will be badly affected if the quantum of water is not mixed into the water. In 2009, the NIO scientist has presented one paper wherein he tells us about the theory of flushing time. So the freshwater quantum is not mixed up like today, then the salinity will be increased, and if salinity will increase, then the whole of Goa will face the problem. Many places in Africa today, you know, where civilization began, we believe that Abyssinia or Ethiopia, there today water, food, all this is problem. In Somalia, in whole week, the parents are not in the position to provide one glass of water for their children. The same story which was told to you about Cape Town.